today is so fresh. Maybe next time. Ta-da! This is it. Let's go home and cook. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, do you miss me? Today I will cook a lot of delicious food. Please wait at the end of the video to see what it is. I'm starting to do this. Marinate eel with sauce. Put the eel on the tray and grill it. Wow, thanks for the gift of 2 kittens. This gift is for you, Lucy. I will make delicious chicken thighs. Add spices to chicken thighs. Mix well. Stir well to dissolve the eggs. I will marinate the chicken with cheeses. It's time to fry. Crispy fried chicken. Wait until fragrant, then take out. Oh wow, so many delicious dishes. The food is amazing. So great. Have a nice day, everyone.
Wow!
I want to try it. No!
Huh?
One more try. I did it! I got it! Here is your reward. Thank you! Hi everyone! Long time no see! Do you remember me? It's me again. What are we going to make now? I think we will make cake. Alright, today we are going to make a beautiful rainbow cake. Let's do it! Pour the mixture into the cake pan and bake it. Cut the cake into equal pieces. Add cream between the cake layers. And continue to cover the cake with cream. What's wrong with this? That was tough. Smooth the cake. Decorate with colorful cream around the cake. Decorate the bottom of the cake with M&M candies. Now we done. Let's me try it. Wow, this cake's so yummy. I need some eggs. Okay, Lucy. Let's go! Woohoo! I'll cook something yummy for you. I'm missing something. Bugs, bugs.
Huh?
Run.
You're done. Thanks, little heroes. I want to eat it. Yummy, yummy, yummy.